All right, welcome back into Good Day DC. You know, April is Earth Month, so this morning we are learning some simple ways on how to live more sustainably.
Yes, and lifestyle expert and podcast host Christina Daves is here to show us how. Christina, we've got a whole spread of things, right, for the whole month of April.
We do.
Yeah.
And if we just start small, that's all you need to do. You can make such a difference. I was telling you all, my girlfriend's daughter is a sustainability major, and she taught me so much about this, and it really is easy, and we can save the earth.
Yeah, I love this. I learned a whole lot, too, during the commercial break. So let's get right to it.
Okay, so let's start. These are wool dryer balls.
Yeah.
You put these in instead of your dryer sheets. And they also reduce the drying time by 25%.
Wow.
So you're saving electricity, you're saving energy, and they last forever.
Yeah, I have a pack of like 4 of those at home. Yeah. They're really great. I always thought it was to like take the static out and to like puff up your stuff. Like if you have a puffer jacket, you can kind of just pop it in. But it has so many different benefits to it.
Exactly.
Now, how long do these last before you have to throw another one in?
They last a long
time.
Yeah, they really
You're
do.
saving a lot of money with these.
Exactly. Okay, these are fantastic. When I found these, so we use Ziploc bags, right? We use Ziploc bags for everything. But these are silicone.
Wow.
So they, you know, we're not throwing away the bags. You can microwave them. You can refrigerate them. You can refreeze
machine wash them too.
You can do everything. You know what I do? I put them in the dishwasher.
Yeah, exactly.
Shelf.
I was going to ask about that too, and obviously leak-proof too, because these are silicone.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah, that and also just using Tupperware, right? Using glass Tupperware.
Glass.
I have glass Tupperware. Don't you worry, I have glass Tupperware.
We want to avoid plastic.
I do.
We want to avoid this. So you use one of these a month, right? And then we throw it away. I mean, we know we have a problem with plastic.
Yeah.
Well, you can use these, and you actually use half of one per load, and it's biodegradable to your laundry.
So is that detergent?
This is detergent.
Oh,
detergent sheets,
This
right?
is a detergent sheet.
So is this
This
what
is
is
one
the
load.
I was going to say, what is the equivalent of
One load.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So instead of filling up your thing and using this and then throwing the plastic away, we just use those.
And it just goes and dissolves.
I've never even heard of these, Christina. This is
awesome. We're educating. It's wonderful.
Education.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the one, you
Another
guys.
favorite.
The Swedish dishcloth. This one right here is equal to 17 rolls of toilet paper, paper towels.
Okay, cool.
No, don't use this as toilet paper.
Please don't.
Please don't. No, 17 rolls of paper towels.
Wow.
So, yeah, you know, and you were asking earlier, some of this stuff is a little more expensive.
Yeah.
But when you add it up, 17 rolls, and you get 10 of them in a pack.
Now, how many times can you use this before you throw it out?
A lot. I mean, it's not a one and done.
Yeah.
So you can use it, let it dry.
So it ends up being good bang for your buck because
absolutely.
you're using this instead of just buying 17 of a brand that costs you whatever.
how much
$10
you're
bucks.
throwing it away.
Exactly.
Anyway.
$10.
And those are combustible too, so they'll biodegradable.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay, are you guys bakers?
Yeah.
Makia's a baker.
He knows a little
I know
something.
that.
Okay. So no more foil, no more wax paper, no more parchment paper. Yeah, no, you just use these. And these will last forever. Thousands of, you can use this 1,000 times.
Bake proof.
Yes.
So how do you clean them?
You just wash.
Soap and water?
Oh my gosh,
wow.
So they're silicone, exactly. Yeah, dishwasher.
And
Good
obviously,
quality, too,
everyone
very
uses
thick.
a cutting board too, right? But you want to use wood over plastic.
Wood
'cause
over
you're getting
plastic.
everything. Yeah.
Right, and we know now plastics are not healthy. We want to get rid of plastic from our lives. So wooden cutting boards, super easy. I just bought a new set. They're beautiful.
There you go.
Awesome.
This is kind of cool.
This is cool. Biodegradable trash bags. They feel the same. They look the same. But when you throw them in the trash, this will
Do they have
disintegrate.
scented ones?
They probably do.
I was going to say, because
They
that's a big thing
probably
for the
do.
people, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's talk bamboo. Bamboo, have you ever seen bamboo grow? Like, it just grows and grows and grows. You don't need pesticides, there's nothing. So, and it lasts forever, and it's all natural. These are bamboo toothbrushes.
Oh.
So when you throw it away, it disintegrates eventually. It's not like a plastic toothbrush that's going to be there forever.
A lot better for the environment, for sure.
Absolutely. Okay, I could use a
cloths.
whole tray of these.
This is cool.
Take them, yes. So our makeup cloths.
Yeah.
Right? We all use these, the circles, the rounds. But now you're going to use them, and you're just going to wash them in here. We don't have to throw them away. And they've got scrub ones, they've got charcoal ones.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
All made out of bamboo.
Yeah, the options of different colors, because sometimes the makeup stains the white, so if you want some options, I'm glad we have them.
You got it,
There
and
you
then you
go.
throw it in the bag and wash it. Okay.
Bada bing.
You guys, bamboo sheets. I want you to feel these.
sheets.
Oh my gosh.
Feel these.
Why we have bamboo everything? This is great.
It's great for the environment.
It is. It's great for the. Feel this.
Oh, wow.
There's like 1,000 thread
So
count sheets. And you guys are nowhere near this yet, but when you get to that menopausal stage and you're very warm at night, bamboo pajamas cool you off.
That's really cool. And you can toss them in the wash, and you can use your things to dry
all of these. Yeah, exactly.
Great.
That's awesome.
Gosh, I learned so much from you, Christina, as always. Thank you so much.
Great.
By the way, congratulations. You just reached your 100th episode.
100th episode on Living Ageless and Bold.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's not easy,
The
people.
name of your podcast?
Living Ageless and Bold.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, Christina, thank you so much. Check out her website, ChristinaDaves.com, and also follow her social as well for more hot tips. All right, Stephen, I know you are definitely a big fan of doing everything that you can to protect the environment.
100%. I'm about as green as your dress, I can tell you that. Also, Christina Daves did a great job. All those tips are very helpful and will help out our viewers for years and years to come. All right, it's spring.
Yeah, it is.
And it's